What are you doing? You sleeping with Titan? Aw, you have to rub his belly, right? You can't lay down too hard on him. Say hi, Titan. Hi. Don't hurt him. Say, who's a good boy, Titan? Who's a good boy, Titan? Yeah. Say, I'm a big boy. Okay, Forrest. Wash your hands. Ugh. Who's a good boy, Titan? Titan, up! Come! Up, 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 up! Hi.